Hello, welcome back to another box break by Sandlot Cards here. This is again that time of the year, Topps 2011 Baseball Series 1, start of the new season. I love breaking the Topps. It's great, so we'll just get to it. It's a jumbo box, so we should get 3 hits in this box. This is our second break so far, so let's see what we get. We get 1 auto and 2 relics. And then if you watch our first video, I'll give you a little more detail on what the cards look like, but we're just going to zip through this quickly, see what we get. A lot of nice inserts, a lot of Mickey Mantle, I'm noticing, not surprising. Kind of skip through these base real quick, see if there's any short prints. I probably won't look too close, I'll check later. We got the gold parallel, number to 2011. Diamond giveaway. See the redemption program. Carl Yastrzemski. The reprint set, like the cards your mother threw out last year. You got the diamond duos. Ryan Braun, Ike Davis, Billy Butler. This is the top 60 card. Ichiro. This is the diamond. Looks like a diamond card, almost like a refractor. We got these miniatures, Mickey Mantle, got one of those in the last box. And then we got the lost cards, Stan Musial, Steven Strasburg, trophy card. And then we got a lot more base here. Chris Young. So we'll zip through this box, see what kind of hits we get. Expecting 3. Last time we got one in our first pack. This time we didn't. So let's see what we get. We'll just skip through the base, and I'll check later for any short prints. Diamond giveaway. Barry Larkin reprint. Diamond duos. Freddie Freeman, Jason Hayward. Nick Markakis, top 60. This is a diamond card, Ryan Dempster. Got the Torrey Hunter miniature. Bob Feller, the lost cards. Here's a jersey card, Carlos Marmol. Jersey card, so there's one of our hits. And then the rest of these base. Alright, David Ortiz, tops down. Of course, you got the tops down at the end. There we go. What do we got here? Alright, skip through the base. Again, all these cards, all these base cards will go online, so you can complete your set. We like to work with set builders. Stephen Drew parallel, number to 2011. Bobby Abreu, a reprint, kind of like last year's cards your mother threw out. Albert Pujols, Miguel Cabrera, diamond duos, kind of like legendary lineage almost from last year. Top 60, Lou Gehrig, nice. The diamond card, David Exton. Miniature, David Wright. And then T206, Honus Wagner, nice. Not the real one, of course. They're doing kind of a reprint of these old pre-war cards. Always fun to look at. Another Buster Posey with the Topps trophy. Vernon Wells. Alright, so we got 1 hit. Should see 2 more. Open this box. See what we get here. Zip through these. Alright. The redemption card, Harmon Killebrew, Robin Yount, 76. Joe Mauer, Buster Posey Diamond Duos. Gary Carter, top 60. Kyle Davies Diamond card. Artelis Chapman miniature card. Duke Snider, the Lost Cards, Topps History, and then more base. Alright. So we're coming up with a little Ichiro in there, and the Topps Town at the very end.